Good morning students, welcome back to channel. Okay, so today I am going to discuss the roles of accounting. Okay, so as I have given you the objectives of accounting, so objectives, roles and functions of accounting are all same. So the basic objectives, roles or functions of accounting are as follows. Okay, systematic record of all financial transactions. So, systematic record of all financial transactions relating to sales, okay, then purchases, expenses, and revenues. So, all the transactions relating to sales are recorded in the sales day book. Purchases are recorded in the purchase day book. Expenses are recorded in the cash book. Revenues are recorded in the cash book. So there is a systematic way of recording of all financial transactions. So that is a role of accounting. Then accounting helps to determine profit or loss of the business. Okay. So while determining the profit earned or loss incurred by the business, accounting is very much helpful. Then accounting determines the financial health of the business, whether the business is financially sound or not, the status of its assets, liabilities and equity. Okay, equity means owner's capital. Then accounting provides financial information to its various users like management, investors, creditors, etc. So accounting provides financial information, okay, like the financial statements are prepared, okay, and these statements provide, okay, is very much helpful, becomes very much helpful, okay, to its various users like management. Then there is investors, okay, what, okay, the investors are going to invest in the business or not. Then creditors, okay, while supplying loans to the business, okay, etc. So creditors can be banks or the lenders, etc. Okay, accounting helps the management to take important decisions about pricing. Okay, so in order to take important decisions about pricing, okay, prices of the goods to be sold, then investments, etc. Okay, so how to make investment, okay, into the business. Okay, so all these important decisions, okay, are taken by the management, okay, by seeing the financial statements. Okay, so hope you have understood that what are the objectives, roles or functions of accounting. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.